Well, I love this wall that I secretly found. It's like the secret garden wall, but I also found out that there are like these biting insects over there. I don't know if they're mosquitoes or flies or whatever. Anyways, I left with like a bunch of bites the last time I shot there. Stay away. Smell the air. Yeah, you see that? Look at them go. They're all over here. Pictures came out great, but skin did not, and that is a no-go for modeling. So I had sprayed myself with bug spray today, and I left without one bite. It's like a hex, you know? Do the circle. I saw them actually try and come at me and then like smell me and then run away. So I would say that I left with a W today. They left with an L. No blood for you. That's right. Just like the Seekers app, the mosquitoes or biting flies took an L today. All right, I think I'm protected for at least a moment. And welcome back to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we're going to be taking a look at the unreleased Air Jordan 1 lows in the Shattered Backboard colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. And welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy this video. Feel free to leave me any comments or questions you may have down below. Hit that notification bell because we literally have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on, as well as check out that join button. We've got some amazing membership perks on there, as well as an amazing Shade merch store. So be sure to head on over to that website after this video is done. As mentioned earlier, I am so excited. I just want to send out a huge thank you to the Jordan team for sending me these shoes to do an unboxing on, as well as some styling pieces for the styling section. So super stoked for you to see all of the pieces that I think worked perfectly with these Air Jordan 1 lows. So first we're going to start off with the overview on this beautiful colorway. Then we're going to talk about size and fit, followed by how I style these with some of the pieces that Jordan sent over. And then we're going to conclude with how much these are going to be on the retail market, as well as where you can find these. All right, let's jump into this overview. So as you all know, the Shattered Backboard colorway has been one of the most popular color schemes with the Jordan brand. It's only surprisingly been around since 2015, but it does feel like this colorway has actually been around for a longer time period. We did see a Air Jordan 1 low colorway in the Shattered Backboard color scheme in 2019, except that version had a bit more black in different areas, so the color blocking was a little bit different from this one. I do love this new color blocking though. I think that it really does show that orange quite nicely. We've got, starting from the front, this nice tumbled white leather on the front of the toe box. On the front, that beautiful pop of orange, which I think just goes quite nicely with that white underlay. As we work our way up, we have black laces and a white nylon tongue, again with more accents of that orange for the Nike Air swoosh mark on the logo on the top there. And just in case you don't like the black laces, we do have a white and an orange colorway option that you can swap out. So let's take a look at those details. All right, so before we move on to the side panels, just to talk about where the inspiration came for this colorway, it draws inspiration from the exhibition that Michael Jordan attended in 1985 when he had that amazing backboard shattering dunk. And he was actually wearing an orange jersey, which really signifies this orange color scheme that we're seeing throughout the shoe. So as we work our way to the side panels, you'll see that we have the overlays of that orange with nice white crisp underlays in that leather, as well as a nice just simplified black leather swoosh. Working our way to the back, we have the Air Jordan wings there in this nice kind of shiny black color scheme. Working our way to the other side panel, again, the same underlays of white leather with overlays of that orange and a nice just crisp black swoosh. As we look inside the insole, we have a white insole with orange for the Nike Air and swoosh mark branding. And then this shoe is then finished off with a clean white midsole and that pop of orange for the outsole. Let's take a final look at all those details. All right, so now let's move into size and fit. So I got these in a size 7.5, which is equivalent to a woman's size 9. I would say that these run true to size, just like the sizing that I would get for any Air Jordan 1 highs. I would get the same in the lows. I don't think they differentiate in any way. I do have high arch, narrow feet. So if you do have flat feet that are on the wider side, this may differentiate a better size that fits for you, but I would say stay true to size on this one. All right, now let's jump into styling. So again, huge shout out to Jordan for sending me a lot of pieces that I used in the styling section. First up actually is this woman's flight suit, which is so cool. This is going to be from the Jordan Next Utility Capsule coming out here. And this just really worked so well with the orange in this color scheme. So we've got nice orange accents with blue. If you're a Knicks fan, this is definitely a romper that you need to get for sure. One of the cool parts about this as well is that the sleeves actually unbutton. So it's pretty hot here in New York. So if it's a really hot day, you can actually completely unbutton the sleeves off of this to turn it into a sleeveless romper. It also comes with this adjustable belt and nice pockets on the side, so if you want to store anything, and has just really cool hardware on there with the Jumpman logo as well. So definitely a really cool romper with some nice Jordan logos throughout, but I think this is a perfect pairing if you're looking to style something with the upcoming Air Jordan 1 Shattered Backboards.
All these miles away, yeah, I just wanna see you. Baby, give me good face, she hit me like seafood. Number one, I saw you, hi, it's nice to meet you. Know my old girl salty, she just wanna be you. I'm a dog, no Maltese, I don't wanna leave you. Once you're right here, I just don't wanna mistreat you, no. Cause I've been a douchebag before, baby girl, I don't wanna repeat. She just won't please me, she look in my eyes, told me why are you bleeding? And I don't even know how to answer. I take these drugs to my bladder. She says she know that.
For the next look, I paired it with a Jordan skirt. And again, this is a lightweight woven fabric, just like the romper that I talked about before. And this, of course, is in a black colorway. So if you're not really feeling blue or a bright color, as you guys know, I love me some black and sometimes dark gray.
I only work in black and sometimes very, very dark gray.
So this was definitely down my alley. So this is also from the capsule coming out. We've got this really cool Jordan logo on the side there, and it has oversized box pleats, if you can see that, and the front and back, and this buckled adjustable belt with some side pockets so that you can store anything that you want to. If you need some extra space to put your wallet or keys or something in. I love the fact that this zips so it's not gonna fall out, which is really cool. Again, this is part of the Jordan Next utility capsule, so just a really cool piece. I paired this skirt with this Jordan Essentials woman's boxy t-shirt. So it's an oversized fit, kind of has a crop to it as well. And I feel like it just went nicely all together for an all black look that just really set a nice backdrop tone for the pop of orange in the color scheme on these shoes.
She noticed a pattern, she say I look gorgeous, I tell her I'm flattered, but I hate my reflection. When I look at you, all I see is perfection. I'm so depressed and I don't know the reason, just wanna feel better. Hate my reflection. When I look at you, all I see is perfection. I'm so depressed and I don't know the reason, just hope I feel better. Don't know the reason, just hope I feel better. I just hope I feel better. You said that you love me, don't know if it's still true. Hate it when you're not here, love it when I'm with you. You say you don't trust me.
For the last and final look, I decided to wear something that Rolf designed as the creative director when he was with Calvin Klein's 205 West 39th, one of my favorite periods of time when Rolf was designing for them. I miss it actually already. So those pants have some nice orange detailing on the bottom. It was obviously one of the opening looks actually on the runway, but I think it just paired so nicely with the orange accents in the shoe. And I just paired that with a nice simple black bralette.
All the shit we've been through, why you always upset? I don't really get you, I don't really get you. Why should I always gotta be so stressful? Baby, can you tell me why are you so vengeful? I don't understand you, I can't live without you, but I can't fucking stand you. I'm just so obsessed, I should take better care of myself, but fuck it. Blacked out in public, on that like she upset, but I know she love it. I hate my reflection. When I look at you, all I see is perfection. I'm so depressed and I don't know the reason, just wanna feel better. Hate my reflection. When I look at you, all I see is perfection.
All right, you let me know. Out of those three looks, what was your favorite, or how would you style these?
Yeah, the hood, that's a must. Was a hood baby with no soldiers. Bad past never left my mind, it's taking over. No, I should've died, that's why it's hard to stay sober. Glad to see the sun, but my heart getting colder. Life's all crazy, what we been through. When you die, the only time that they gon' miss you. Tell my mama no more tears, no more tissue. Ooh, just some hood baby with some issues. Hood baby from the struggle. Long time had a hustle. Glad we made it through. I'm just glad we made it through. Ice on my wrist like I'm Harden. Either they love me or I'm a target. Cause the ice on me is flawless. I've been busy and picking up when you callin'. And on purpose, I hate the fact we ain't talking. But anything that you need, dog, I got you, I mean that. All this pressure make it hard not to relapse. Build up aggression, make it hard for me to relax. To the hood, baby, ain't no way that I'ma lead that. My dogs need hope, step it up, I gotta be that. Cause life's so crazy, oh, ain't been through. I'ma love you way before I gotta miss you. Hold this mama by my side, gave her some tissue. We were just a hood, baby, with some issues. Hood, baby, from the struggle. Long time had a hustle. Glad we made it through. I'm just glad we made it through. Hood, baby, from the struggle. Long time had a hustle. I'm glad we made it through. I'm just glad we made it through. Just some hood, baby, yeah. Just some hood, baby, yeah. Just some hood, baby, yeah. Just some hood, baby. Hood, baby, from the struggle. Long time had a hustle. Glad we made it through. I'm just glad we made it through. Hood, baby, from the struggle. Long time had a hustle. I'm glad we made it through. I'm just glad we made it through. I'm glad we made it.
If you're interested as well in any of these Jordan pieces, I will have all of those links in the description box below. So do keep an eye out for when these are released. These are also available on the members access on the Nike app. So definitely grab some of these pieces if you can. I think these are phenomenal looks, especially if you're wanting to pair them with this upcoming release. All right, so now let's conclude with how much these are going to retail for, which is $130 price point. As well as keep an eye out on the Sneakers app. It has not been said yet what the exact date will be, but definitely just keep an eye out on the app as soon as they upload images and that time, date, and the pricing. Be sure to click that little check mark for the reminder so that you don't miss out on these. But I'm excited and hoping that these will release for all of you towards the end of the month. All right, that's it for this episode. Thanks so much for all of you who tuned in today. Be sure to hit that subscribe if you're new and you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, be sure to leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on, as well as be sure to check that join button out for all of our membership perks and our amazing merch store. All right, thanks again over the Jordan team for sending these pieces over to me. I had such an amazing time unboxing this and styling these with some of the Jordan pieces from the new capsule. Again, this is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We will catch you on the next video.